Welcome aboard the Genting Dream Cruise series. In today's video, we embark on the second day of our journey, eager to delve into the delights of this magnificent vessel. Our morning adventure begins with capturing the breathtaking sunrise from the deck, setting the perfect backdrop for our day ahead. Join me as we indulge in the inaugural taste of a sumptuous Western breakfast, a culinary experience that promises to tantalize our taste buds and set the tone for an unforgettable day of exploration. Attention all viewers. It's crucial that you stay tuned and follow my entire Genting Dream Cruise series from start to finish. Embark on a magical morning adventure at 6:30 a.m. as we head to the ultimate vantage point aboard the cruise. Prepare to be awestruck as we discover the best view spot on the ship, where the tranquil beauty of dawn unfolds before our eyes. Don't miss this opportunity to witness nature's masterpiece as the sun casts its golden hues over the horizon, creating a scene that is nothing short of mesmerizing. With each passing minute, the sky transforms, painting a canvas of vibrant colors that illuminate the horizon. As the sun gradually rises, the breathtaking view from the cruise becomes even more spectacular, surpassing yesterday's late evening charm. Prepare to be enchanted as the world around us awakens to a new day, revealing stunning vistas that surpass all expectations. Step into the grandeur of the premium Palace Suite Hall aboard the Genting Dream Cruise, where luxury meets sophistication in every detail. As we enter this majestic space, prepare to be dazzled by its exquisite design and unparalleled elegance. The first thing that catches the eye is the soaring ceiling, adorned with dazzling chandeliers that cast a warm glow over the opulent surroundings. The hall exudes an air of refinement, with marble floors, intricately carved furnishings, and tasteful decor that reflect the epitome of luxury living. As we stand in awe of the premium palace room aboard the Genting Dream Cruise, our gaze is drawn to a remarkable sight, the private swimming area exclusive to Palace Suite guests. Nestled within the luxurious confines of this opulent retreat, this personal oasis beckons with its promise of tranquility and indulgence. As we embark on our quest to witness the majestic sunrise aboard the Genting Dream Cruise, our journey leads us to the enchanting level 16 outdoor deck. Here, surrounded by the vast expanse of the open sea, we are poised to witness nature's grand spectacle in all its glory. As we ascend to level 16, anticipation fills the air, heightened by the gentle whisper of the ocean breeze and the soft murmur of waves below. The deck stretches out before us, offering uninterrupted panoramic views of the horizon, promising an unparalleled vantage point from which to greet the dawn. What a stroke of serendipity! As we bask in the ethereal glow of the sunrise on the level 16 outdoor deck aboard the Genting Dream Cruise, our senses are treated to an unexpected delight, a mesmerizing morning Indian dance performance. As the first light of dawn illuminates the deck, a troupe of talented dancers takes to the stage, their vibrant costumes shimmering in the early morning light. The rhythmic beat of traditional Indian music fills the air, setting the stage for a spellbinding performance that transcends time and space. As we eagerly anticipate the grand finale of our sunrise spectacle aboard the Genting Dream Cruise, our excitement reaches a crescendo as we notice fellow guests already gathered, eagerly awaiting the magical moment just ahead. With the horizon aglow in hues of pink and gold, the anticipation in the air is palpable. We join our fellow travelers, drawn together by the shared desire to witness nature's masterpiece unfold before our eyes. As the sun inches closer to the horizon, casting a warm glow over the deck, a sense of camaraderie fills the air. We exchange smiles and quiet words of awe with our newfound companions, united in our appreciation for the beauty of this moment. As we venture to explore the outdoor sports hall aboard the Genting Dream Cruise, we step into a vibrant and energetic atmosphere, pulsating with the spirit of adventure and fun. Located on one of the upper decks, the outdoor sports hall is a haven for enthusiasts of all ages, offering a wide array of exciting activities to suit every taste and preference. As we approach, the first thing that catches our eye is the sprawling expanse of the deck, transformed into a playground of possibilities. From basketball courts to mini golf greens, there's no shortage of options for those seeking an adrenaline rush or a friendly competition. The sound of laughter and cheering fills the air as guests engage in spirited games and challenges, their competitive spirits ignited by the thrill of the moment. For those craving a more leisurely pursuit, there are ample opportunities to soak up the sun and enjoy the breathtaking views of the surrounding ocean. Whether lounging on deck chairs or taking a refreshing dip in the pool, the outdoor sports hall offers the perfect setting to unwind and recharge amidst the beauty of the open sea. As we immerse ourselves in the lively atmosphere of the outdoor sports hall, we can't help but be swept away by the sense of camaraderie and joy that permeates the space. It's a testament to the power of play to bring people together and create lasting memories that will be cherished long after the cruise comes to an end. As the morning sun casts its warm glow over the Genting Dream Cruise, it's time to embark on a culinary journey at the Western Food Hall located on Level 7. Stepping into the Western Food Hall, we are greeted by the tantalizing aroma of freshly brewed coffee and an array of delectable breakfast offerings. The spacious and inviting dining area invites us to take a seat and prepare to indulge in a feast for the senses. From classic breakfast staples like fluffy pancakes and crispy bacon to hearty omelets made to order, there's something to satisfy every craving. Freshly baked pastries and artisanal breads beckon from the buffet table, tempting us with their irresistible aroma and golden crusts. But it's not just the food that delights, it's the vibrant atmosphere and friendly camaraderie that make dining at the Western Food Hall a truly memorable experience. Guests from all corners of the globe come together to share stories and laughter as they savor their morning meal, creating an atmosphere of warmth and hospitality that is quintessentially cruise. As we savor each delicious bite and sip, we can't help but feel grateful for this opportunity to start the day on a high note, surrounded by good food and great company. And as we linger over our breakfast, soaking in the views of the open sea from the windows of the Western Food Hall, we can't help but look forward to the adventures that lie ahead aboard the Genting Dream Cruise. Thank you for joining me on today's journey aboard the Genting Dream Cruise. I hope you enjoyed experiencing the beauty of the sunrise, exploring the premium palace suite, and indulging in a delicious breakfast at the Western Food Hall. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future Genting Dream Cruise adventures. I can't wait to hear from you in the comments, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Until then, bon voyage.